Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you OUTRE SLeekLay Part Lace Front Wig in the name of Donatella. The color is DRST Ginger Brown. On the back of the stock card you see the special colors along with a side and back view of the model. On the front it gives you that information of HD transparent lace, high-tex heat friendly up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, the color is DRST Ginger Brown. One of the main features of this unit is it's supposed to lay flatter, lays better, and flat lace finish. In the inside of the stock card, it tells you more key features such as wider hand-tied lace part, extra hand-tied lace edges, pre-plucked hairline, hump-less laid finish, natural baby hairs, heat-friendly, and shows you the regular lace compared to the SLeekLay part lace. This unit is standard cap construction, 2 ear combs, neighbor neck combs, adjustable strap, and you get that middle part lace along with an elastic headband in the inside. The lace is soft lace, very easy to manage and handle. Here I'm just going to go ahead and snip off the rest of this lace to go ahead and get this video started. Now, I will not be adhering this unit to my head today, you guys. This is just review purposes only. So I'm only going to use that wig band that comes in the inside of this cap to go ahead and help this unit to lay flatter to my head and to stop it from shifting so much. I gotta say, I'm always impressed with OUTRE SLeekLay flat hairline. On this side, I didn't get all the lace that I needed to get off, but that'll come later. That is my Fenty powder that I'm using to try to tint the lace a little bit because it does come off a little ashy. But it didn't quite get the job done, so I'm going to go in with my Ulta finishing powder. That's a tint darker than what my normal Fenty powder is that I use. So let's see what happens here. Looks a little better. Okay, yeah, that does look better to me. Just a little better. Those are those baby hairs. But I'm not going to be using those baby hairs today. I'm going to go in with my wax stick and just kind of lay it just a little bit flatter. I'm not going to be using any heat on this unit. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys some pricing on Miss Donatella. She is on Ebony Line for $40.90. $34.99 on Sam's Beauty, Star Beauty, $34.99, and she is also on Poshmark for $68. So maybe that'll help you guys out in purchasing this unit. If you get this unit, let me know what you think about it. But it's definitely one unit that I have been wanting for a very long time. Okay, and this is the finished product, you guys. Just going to go ahead on and make sure that this comb is not sticking me in the nape of my neck. And I'm about to wrap this thing up with a couple of views. Now, this unit does not have any ear tabs, so I will be shifting this unit to the left and right for you too. As far as my thoughts on Miss Donatella, you guys, I do think that she is a good purchase. She will serve great purpose for beaches or the island vibes. I have been looking for this unit for a while. Like I said, I am glad that I got it because that will be what I will use it for whenever I get ready to go back to the beaches. I hope this video helps with your purchase. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are a subscriber, thank you guys so much. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye.